吞没了平静，船在挣扎，水涌进仓，盼望渐渐沉没。众人呼喊，声音颤抖，老师老师，我们快没命啦！老师老师，我们快没命啦！他在风暴中醒来，斥责那狂风与巨浪，一句出了吧，进了吧，风就止住，大大平静，风就止住，大大平静了。方才的慌乱，转眼回复平静的晚上。为什么晚上？老师问为什么胆怯？你们还没有信心吗？大家惧怕说，这到底是谁？连风和海都听从他。这到底是谁？连风和海都听从他。他在风暴中醒来，斥责那狂风与巨浪，一句出了吧，进了吧，风就止住，大大平静，风就止住，大大平静了。如今我们虽仍会遇风浪，却只有一道平安铺满海洋。纵然黑夜深长，祂的声音依然清晰。出了吧，进了吧，风浪尽处，船上有祂的同在。
The wind howls a while, the waves roar high. The night has swallowed every calm. The boat is straining with water filled, and hope begins to fade.
They cry out with trembling voice, Teacher, save us, we're gonna die. Teacher, save us, we're gonna die. But he awakes amid the storm, rebukes the wind and raging sea. Quiet, be still, his voice commands, and all the winds obey. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. The fear that gripped them just before now turns to wonder in the calm. He asked them, why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith? They were terrified and asked each other, who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him. Who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him. But he awakes amid the storm, rebukes the wind and raging sea. Quiet, be still, his voice commands, and all the winds obey. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. And though we still face storms today, we know his peace will fill the way. Though night is long and waves are fierce, his voice still speaks. Quiet, be still. Beyond the storm, within the boat, we rest secure. He's here with us. Beyond the storm, within the boat, we rest secure. He's here with us. For he awakes amid the storm, rebukes the wind and raging sea. Quiet, be still, his voice commands, and all the winds obey. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. The raging waves grow calm and still, a great peace falls upon the sea. And though we still face storms today, we know his peace will fill the way. Though night is long and waves are fierce, his voice still speaks. Quiet, be still. Beyond the storm, within the boat, we rest secure. He He's here with us beyond the storm, within the boat we rest secure. He's here with us.